How does the Medicaid spend down work for a single person?
Well, under the default rules for Texas Medicaid, a person can only have $2,000 in countable assets. That means if I if I have $50,000 in a house, say for instance, I need to spend $48,000, and I can exempt the house initially. Um, and so what Medicaid is anticipating is that I'm going to spend $48,000, and once I'm down to below $2,000, essentially impoverished, uh, then I should qualify for Medicaid. Um, there are numerous exemptions, and for almost every rule in Medicaid, it's true, except for when it's not true. So for almost every rule, there's an exception, there's an exemption, there's you know there's a loophole, for lack of a better term. Um, and knowing what exemptions and exceptions and planning opportunities exists in a given situation is something that you can't just sit down and read the 800 pages and understand it all. You have to have a lot of working experience, um, and years of working through different client situations, navigating the bureaucracy, working back and forth with the caseworkers, with the attorneys that work for the state of Texas to navigate fairly complex rules. Um, and I'll just give you an example. If a person has a $100,000 IRA and they need Medicaid, uh, typically they're going to go in, and the state is going to require that they spend that $100,000 down to until it's gone, and then they can qualify. But if you use an elder law attorney that knows, has a good working knowledge of the in-depth rules, we can put that we could take that $100,000 IRA, put it in a Medicaid compliant annuity, and protect all of it, and still get the person qualified for Medicaid, even if they're single. Um, that's just one example of lots and lots of exceptions and sort of little known rules that can be used, um, to maintain options and quality of life for a person needing long term care.